Hey everyone, I'm David. Let me guess. You're putting out content, tweaking your pages, maybe even paying for SEO tools, but your traffic still feels unpredictable. One week you're up, the next week you disappear. And now there's a new problem. People aren't only searching on Google anymore. They're asking ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, and Copilot for recommendations. And if your brand isn't showing up in those answers, you're basically invisible to a huge chunk of buyers. That's exactly why today I'm reviewing RankBamboo, an AI SEO tool built to help your brand win both traditional rankings on Google and visibility inside AI answer engines without you having to guess what to do next. Before we jump into the dashboard and everything RankBamboo can do, quick heads up. Check the link in the description box because I've put together the full written RankBamboo review with the complete OTO breakdown, any discount offers, the all-in-one bundle deal if you want the best value, and my special bonuses that cover different areas of digital marketing, so you can get better results faster using this tool. If you're even thinking about picking it up, that link is where you'll want to start. Alright, so what is RankBamboo? RankBamboo is positioned as the world's first AI SEO tool designed to help your brand win every type of search, from Google rankings to AI discovery inside platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, and Copilot. The whole idea is simple. Instead of only optimizing for old-school SEO, it helps you improve how your brand is seen, mentioned, and recommended by AI answer engines too. And here's what makes that important. RankBamboo helps to boost brand visibility in AI answer engines, which can lead to more AI-referred traffic, and that traffic tends to convert insanely well because people coming from AI recommendations often show up with higher intent. Now, the workflow is built around 3 simple steps. Step 1. You enter your site, brand name, or keywords one time, and RankBamboo begins tracking how both search engines and AI answer engines currently view your brand. Step 2. RankBamboo shows what people are searching for, highlights visibility gaps that may be blocking you from showing up in AI answers, and lets you compare your presence against competitors. Step 3. RankBamboo then focuses on closing those gaps with the right optimizations. The tool aims to improve rankings, increase AI mentions, and help your brand get discovered across search results and AI-generated answers. So if you're trying to future-proof your SEO and you want a tool that doesn't just say, optimize this keyword, but actually helps you compete in the AI era of search, RankBamboo is going to be really interesting. So the front-end version of RankBamboo is basically your all-in-one kickstart system for modern search. Inside the dashboard, you get to use powerful modules like AI search visibility tracking, AI citations and mentions, and the AI visibility score, so you can instantly tell if AI engines are recognizing your brand or straight up ignoring it. Then, to keep you competitive, you've got AI share of voice, competitor AI spy, and AI benchmarking, which makes it super clear who AI is recommending in your niche and where you need to close the gap. But here's the part that adds real value. It's not just data. RankBamboo also gives you an optimization hub with AEO and GEO insights and content structure guidance, so you get clear direction on what to fix and how to format your content in a way AI understands and wants to recommend. And if you're thinking, cool, but what do I publish? You're covered. You've got Topic Explorer, Prompt Builder, and the AI Content Generator to help you plan and create AI-friendly content that's designed to increase mentions and citations. Plus, it keeps everything running on autopilot with automated scans, visibility trends, and professional reports, and it even supports multi-project management, which is perfect if you're managing multiple sites or client projects. And yes, the front end comes with a commercial license, so you can actually turn this into a service and charge clients monthly for AI visibility optimization. There's also a bonus vault packed with white label tools, stuff you can rebrand and use as assets in your business. Think marketing tools like SMS and email platforms, social media marketing, website building, bio links and QR tools, payments, even an LMS. This bonus vault can seriously boost the value if you're building a full digital marketing stack. To sum up, the front-end package gives you everything you need to get started. Track AI visibility, compare against competitors, follow a clear optimization roadmap, create AI-ready content, and monitor results automatically without making the video or your workflow complicated. If you want everything unlocked from day one, there's the all-in RankBamboo package to look at. With this bundle deal, you're getting the front-end RankBamboo Pro, plus every single upgrade. The bundle gives you the full core system and takes it further by unlocking unlimited edition so you can scale beyond one site or a handful of keywords and prompts. The AI Search Authority booster to speed up trust and authority signals. The done-for-you AI search optimization white glove setup where they actually set things up for you. 25 DFY ready-to-profit campaigns, the shortcut for people who want monetization assets ready to go. The DFY AI SEO marketing agency setup, which turns this into a client-getting system with the pieces you need to position and sell services. And the big one, the white label license, which lets you brand it as your own and sell it like a SaaS. You set your own pricing, put your logo on it, and keep the profits. And on top of all that, the bundle includes all bonuses, plus it's a one-time payment that covers the upgrades, even the ones that would normally be recurring. The bundle saves you money and removes decision stress. Instead of thinking, do I need this upgrade? What if I skip it and regret it later? You just get everything. You get the maximum power, and you're covered whether you're using RankBamboo for your own sites, for clients, or even turning it into a full product under your own brand. Now we will go into the details of each upgrade. Upgrade 1, RankBamboo Unlimited Edition. This upgrade removes the limitations so you can run RankBamboo at scale. You'll get unlimited websites as brands, unlimited keywords, and unlimited AI prompts as search intents. It's perfect if you have multiple sites, do affiliate projects, or manage client campaigns, because you're not limited by caps. Upgrade 2, AI Search Authority Booster. This one is Traffic and Trust Accelerator. It focuses on building the authority signals AI engines look for, things like entity clarity, consistent brand trust signals, and AI-friendly citation-style content frameworks. In other words, they are about FAQs, comparisons, and structured context. This upgrade helps you get indexed, cited, and recommended faster across ChatGPT, Google AI Overviews, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, and Copilot. Upgrade 3, Done-for-You AI Search Optimization. If you want results without doing the heavy lifting, this is the We Do It For You upgrade. Their team sets up RankBamboo for one brand or website end-to-end. This includes AI discovery setup, prompt indexing and entity optimization, Google AI Overviews positioning, and Schema plus AI-ready content structure tuning. Basically, you skip the learning curve and get a professional setup to start strong. Upgrade 4, 25 DFY ready-to-profit campaigns. You get 25 ready-made campaigns built for both Google rankings and AI visibility, with the content angles and monetization already set up. You'll also get approval help for the affiliate offers, which removes one of the biggest headaches for beginners, getting rejected and wasting time. Upgrade 5, DFY AI SEO Marketing Agency Setup. This upgrade turns RankBamboo into a client-getting business. You get a ready-made agency website, high-converting outreach email sequence, telemarketing closing scripts, and a PowerPoint proposal deck to pitch like a real agency. It also includes a graphics pack and a high-paying client video course with white label rights, so you can use it to educate clients, sell it as an extra product, or position yourself as the expert while charging monthly retainers. Upgrade 6, RankBamboo White Label License. It lets you remove RankBamboo branding, replace it with your logo, your domain, your colors, and sell it as your own SaaS. You can charge clients however you want, subscriptions, setup fees, retainers, and keep the profits. This is the upgrade for people who want to build a real software business without hiring developers or creating a tool from scratch. And those are the core highlight buckets. Next, I'll jump into the dashboard so you can see how these features look in real use.
RankBamboo is an answer engine optimization platform. It does not just stop there, it also handles your regular website optimization and, of course, website update and your report. The interesting thing about RankBamboo is that RankBamboo does not just give you suggestions or what you need to do recommendations. It does the fixes directly for you on your connected website. This is how it looks like. Whatever things, whatever recommendation I need to implement to get my website on the listing of any of the AI models or on number one search engine page, I need to get my website connected. And on a click, I can apply the fixes, the recommendations that you can see right here from our AI optimization hub. Now, again, I can also pick any of the optimization suggestions here and click on auto optimize, and it gets all the fixes done for me without any heavy lifting. So that's really how powerful Rank Bamboo is. I would want to quickly take you on a journey of Rank Bamboo. Right, Bamboo's dashboard, you could see we have a quick analytics that gives you a breakdown on how your brand or your website is performing across ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, meaning with Red Bamboo, you can be seen across several AI models. Now, this is exactly what this means. For the brand Fashion Nova, you could see on ChatGPT is making over 84%, and on Cloud is 69%, Gemini 60%. This is what this really translates to on our day-to-day activity. I can come over to ChatGPT. If you notice the brand here is Fashion Nova, I can come over to ChatGPT and say to ChatGPT, tell me more about Fashion Nova. And immediately, ChatGPT has something to tell me about Fashion Nova. Is a US-based fashion retailer known for its trendy, affordable clothing. It's based in Los Angeles. Now, the big question is, can ChatGPT or any of the AI models say this about your brand, about your website? So that's exactly where Rank Bamboo comes into play here. Rank Bamboo allows you to quickly get your website, your brand, listed across several AI models. And the truth is, if your business is not listed there, then you were left behind because over 35 to 50% of persons now are switching from the regular search engine searches for products or for services, now, going over to AI recommendations, which are usually conversational. They now depend on AI for recommendations on brands or products or services they need, and they make their comparisons to know which to go for. So that is where the Rank Bamboo platform comes into play because hundreds of millions, even billions of businesses out there are looking for service provider to help them position their business to be seen by AI models. And that's why you need an account with Red Bamboo to allow you to quickly do all of this. There are several other tools out there that promises you a lot. But Red Bamboo, I want to tell you, brought about all of the tools that search engine AIs are crawling, looking out for to get your website listed. And this is how the journey with Rank Bamboo starts. It all starts with we creating a project. So we'll together create a project and see how we got Fashion Nova listed and how you can get any other website listed and get the required results. Bamboo starts with creating a new project. So over here, I want to call this Fashion Nova. And of course, the brand name remains Fashion Nova. Brand name remains Fashion Nova. And the website URL is fashionnova.com. The industry falls within the fashion apparel, so I'm going to look at for fashion apparel. Okay, yeah, that's it. So I can pick anyone, luxury or plus size fashion. I can pick any of those categories, it works. And my market region is United States. Again, I will just hit on create project. RankBamboo will get to work. It's going to automatically pick the entire prompts that AI are looking at for to make this a conversational flow with whoever visits any of the AI model, be it ChatGPT, be it Claude, be it Perplexity or Gemini. And once it does that, we confirm that the selected keywords are within area of concern. If for any reason AI did not cover your area of concerns of keywords or key phrases, you can come over to edit again and pick that. So if I say confirm keywords, it gets into work, and of course it's going to generate the entire prompts we need. So we see at the breeze we've gotten over 18 prompts generated here for us. So all I need to do is scroll down and hit on run my first scan based on this entire 23 prompts, and each of these prompts I could go into edit it as well. Once in here, you could see save 23 prompts. All I need to do is to hit on run new scan, and it's going to scan the whole of Fashion Nova based on the selected prompts to check out for AI visibility, and it's going to give us report in that regards. Processing at the background, you see it will keep populating your results, giving you real-time results as per the feedbacks it's gotten based on the crawling search it has done with ChatGPT. You could see prompt still processing. When that is done, you can always switch to do the same scan on Claude, Gemini, Perplexity. So while that is processing, I could also pick Claude. So once I pick Claude, all I need to do will still pick on run new scan, but because this is still processing, will allow that to go on for a while until it completes. Once it completes and I'm on Claude, I could come over to say run new scan. It's going to get that done on Claude as well. So you can keep doing this across Gemini, Perplexity, and give it some time. And over time, RankBamboo is going to give you a full-blown report concerning your AI visibility with your brand or your website. And then you can come over to AI audit. On the AI audit, what it basically does, it allows you to check your website if it's LLM ready. And of course, we have LLM generator. LLM is all about that instruction that is seen on your website that you need to have on your website for large language models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity to quickly recognize your website, what your website does, where to find things, and try to give your website a good directory flow. So once any of the AI crawlers pick on your website, it makes it easier for them to quickly get it listed. So we'll put the same website here, which is the fashionova.com. So what we'll do here, we want to run an audit on it. We are fashionova.com, all of this is fully fixed. It does have LMS, it does have robot text, it does have meta tags, it does have schema.org structured data. So clearly shows that fashionova.com is fully ready to be listed by AI. Again, I want to switch to another project which we just did some couple of hours ago, let's say less than 72 hours when we start trying out RankBamboo, and you're going to see how interesting this is. And of course, you're going to see some of the gaps that RankBamboo has helped us to identify on the project. And in less than 48 hours, we did some few fixes already. ChatGPT is already recognizing it. So it really shows you how awesome RankBamboo is. So let me quickly switch the project. I want to switch this project over to 10x Rapid Growth. So you see what I'm talking about. This is going to refresh. So again, we want to try some AI audits and see what happens here. So it's 10x. Include the term. So we'll do the same thing, running an audit. So you see, LMM audit completed. Now what happens? We have only 3 of these done, and we are yet to fix the LMS part of this. But interestingly, we started working on this project. I want to go back to the dashboard so you see it again. You can see the dashboard for 10x rapid growth. This we started some couple of hours ago. This is barely 48 hours, 72 hours into this, where we applied some of these recommendations, and you can see ChatGPT is already seeing our page. It's already gaining 81%. And this is what it translates to. Right inside of ChatGPT, I said, tell me about 10x rapid growth. And you can see it picked it here. And this is straight from our link that it picked it from. So this tells you the magic that comes with RankBamboo. Now, going back to our AI audits, I'm just trying to show you the whole excitement that goes with using RankBamboo, how it's quite powerful, giving you results. Now, we are used to fix elements, text, and all of that. So what will happen here is I can come over here on my generator rather. On my generator, I want to say generate LMS text file for my project, and I'll hit on generate. Okay, great. So LMS text generated successfully. So with this, I can just get this copied or save it directly into my WordPress site. And once I add this up, I already have my LMS readiness text fixed, which allows my AI audits to also get the entire fixes required. Right. You see, adding that and of course checking back on the same 10x rapid growth, you could see we have LMS text fixed right now on the site, meaning our site is fully fixed and ready. We are of course checking to be sure that we are fixing all recommendations as required by the standard organization for getting your website or brand listed on AI models. Here on your AI visibility monitor, you could see all the data is gathered. You could see your top brands visibility. Just below the top here, you could see top brands. You have to read, you have Lane Bryant. It continues down to Pretty Little Things. You could also see their visibility performance to it's about 48% and all of that. These are your competitors, top brands within your industry that's coming to the fashion apparel industry. And of course, you could see the entire fashion prompts for which you are performing better than others. You could also see other brands, their mentions on AI as well. Now, if you toggle on what we have here, the prompt performance, you could see here, you could see your own brand performance. We have the your rank and of course visibility ranking. On this particular prompt as fashionable, we consider the top trendy dresses online brand in fashion. You could see this is over 1% of it there, and you can toggle on it and see the recommendations saying here is Fashion Nova top brand. You could see the detailed analysis shown here, and you could see the key findings: high brand recognition in trendy dress market, strong social media presence drives visibility, competes with boho, pretty little things, and misguided. So if there are areas you are not meeting up with all of these other brands mentioned, these are the recommended brands, top brands within your industry. Now, right inside RankBamboo, it shows you what they're doing and it also gives you their performance activity. You can also study more about your competitors when you come over to Competitor Spy here. So on Competitor Spy, you already have details of your competitors already filled up here, but you could go ahead to say, okay, our top competitor is Tourid. We want to add a Tourid as a competitor, and your number two competitor is Lane Bryan. So let's have it there. I can also have Pretty Little Things has 9 mentions. Eloquid has 9. Boho has 13. So we've added all of these as our competitors. So what you do again is to come over here to say backfill metrics. So once you do that, this is going to take a few minutes, and we are going to get an in-depth analysis of how our competitors are doing and what we need to do differently. Right here, for our suggested competitors, if you scroll down, you have some more metrics you can work with. On the Boho, which is our number one competitor within the brand, you can come below here. You will see the overall performance has over share voice of 8.1% and over 6 mentions. Now, if you toggle over the keywords, you can also get to see the keywords which they are performing on. You could pick any of these keywords or your key phrases you may like, and you could add it up to become your key tracking keywords to see how the rankings for your project are also performing. And of course, you can also get to see the insights from this overall performance. You can hit on generate insight for RankBamboo to quickly give you a quick AI generated insight that gives you an analysis of your competitors' data and the recommendation. So let's give it some time and see what comes out. Great. So it says AI has analyzed your competitors and generated insights. So here's says leverage share of voice for Turin and Lane Bryant. Says both Turin and Lane Bryant have the highest share of voice percentage of 16.4% and 14.9% respectively, indicating significant visibility in the market. So recommendation, conduct the content and backlink analysis on Turin and Lane Bryant to understand which pages and keywords are driving their high visibility. Focus on replicating and enhancing this content with unique value proposition. So this really makes it unique. Now, we could also see further recommendations here. So explore share of voice gap with Eloquy. So recommendation, identify Eloquy's top performing content and keywords, craft targeted content that performs Eloquy's in terms of depth, quality, and freshness to capture audience attention. So it tells you what to do, what your competitor did differently, and how you could also hijack their system and get yours to do the same. And of course, you have to outrank them. So we also have the content generator, but of course, I will get over to the optimization hub so you better appreciate what RankBamboo did for you here using the content generator. So come over to the optimization hub. This is what happens. Now, RankBamboo takes all of the considerations, your competitors, and of course the opportunity you have to outperform your competitors and gives us a full-blown optimization recommendations here. So you could see trendy dresses, you could perform more available, low visibility, and of course you're already making 50% share here on optimization suggestions. You could also see some further suggestions on plus size fashion. These are some of the key phrases that performed well. Now, coming over to trendy dresses online, the recommendation, the keyword trendy dresses online appears 0% of AI responses, but your brand is not mentioned. So optimize your content to get your brand included. So you can have your brand to mention on trendy dresses online, which is Fashion Nova, and it's going to say that. Now, this is AI recommendations. Says the key features to look for trendy dresses online include a range of lengths, breathable fabrics, stylish details, and versatile designs that can be dressed up and down. The key findings, trendy styles include midi, and popular fabrics. All of this done for you. And if you come down here, it already shows you your schema enhancements you need to have already. We have that for Fashion Nova. Now, this is what you also get to see. If you have your website connected, you can click and it quickly pushes that into your website. Let me quickly switch project to other project we worked on so you see how this works. So here on this side here, you could see the recommendations given here. So once you have your website connected for a schema markup, which is already done, all you need to do is apply to homepage and it's going to apply this schema. You could see it's updated successfully. So that's why when we did the AI audit for the 10x rapid growth, we already got that fixed. So again, you also have FAQ schema command questions. You could also apply this on a fix. On a click, it fixes all of that. So it asks you the target page you want to create an FAQ schema for. So I could say I want to create it for the home page. So you could get that applied and fixed. It says schema fixed correctly. See, Bamboo fixes your recommendations. It does not just give you recommendation and allow you to figure out everything yourself. It does the entire heavy lifting for you so you could see how this goes. So the same also applies when you come over, you check some other fixes you may need to apply right inside here, and it's going to get that done for you. You could run your further analysis. Now, when you come over to topic gaps, on topic gaps, you can see articles which you could write about. I have an opportunity here for influencer marketing based on the connected project here. So I'm asked to develop influencer marketing strategy guide with templates, example, and best practices. So I could say I want to write this. All I need to do is hit on generate content, and it's going to take us down to our content generator with the exact keywords and key phrases we need to work with, and we get that done. Before going ahead to create my content using my answer engine optimization content generator, I can also choose to come back to my optimization hub. This is something again we can do using the explorers, coming back to topic gaps. Topic gaps definitely points out to subjects, topics you need to talk about to improve your visibility, right? So we wanted to create a content and influencer marketing. So I could come over to say explore topic. So I want to do some further research on this. I can just say extract topics. Okay, so we are extracted 27 topics, and 27 topics are inserted on visibility records to created. So once you scroll down, you could see live marketing workshops and all of that. You could see content marketing, social media, and you could scroll down, checking all of it. Any topic you want to work on, you could just pick content marketing strategy, and it's going to give you an overview. You can also get to see the visibility on ChatGPT. You can also see the mentions. You can have 9 mention on content marketing strategy. And if you leave it for some time, it's going to give you a trend analysis based on that content. You can also get to see related topics. You can see content marketing, live marketing workshops. You can view any of this content here. You can also get to see building a complete guide to content marketing strategies. So you can open this in content generator, and it's going to build exactly what you see there. We have content marketing strategies. You can also create a video in this, open in generator or resource. So let's say I want to create a guide on content marketing strategies. If I hit on open generator, content, it's going to pick the entire content there for me and say content marketing strategy, content type. I want to keep this as how to guide, right? Now, again, I want to come over, I want to keep the tone here as authoritative because that's what AI is looking at for. AI wants to look at the expertise in your content, also want to look at the authority behind your content as well. So I want to keep the content medium, of course, content language English. I also want to generate an FAQ for this because AI models really like FAQs. So I could come over to say generate content. So we see our content generated successfully. Right here, we have our entire content generated for us. You could toggle, you could see this is answer engine optimized content. You could see your outline. You could also see your facts. You could see the schema already set up here. And of course, citations will also come up. You can copy this. You can download it as doc as well as as PDF, and you could have it listed on your site. Again, we also have the shopping visibility. Also, haven't seen the topic explorer on your shopping visibility. The same thing also applies if you run Shopify stores or you run an e-com store. You can also leverage on this tool right inside of RankBamboo. So switching over to my Fashion Nova project, I want to add a product. So come over here, I'm saying I'm adding the product's name rather. This is our bucket hat. So just call this bucket hat. And this is a product URL. This is under $5, so let me just leave it as full. I can pick the categories, or I could just leave it and come over here, add products. Great. So at this point, we've added a product. Our system automatically refresh it. Once it refreshes it and get the product listed, you can then run a scan. It's going to do an in-depth scan on your entire product listings on the page. At this point, we have one product being tracked, so I can come over here on run scan. So it's going to check the entire store structure and see what more product we can fetch, and of course, how AI can improve the visibility for us. This shopping can start successfully one product and 8 queries already done. So you could have 25% visibility. So once you scroll down, you get to see this particular product not listed, and you have a potential of having this listed. So you could check your shopping trend. All of these data are coming, so you can, of course, regenerate your trends and see the queries that comes with it. So you could see we have one product query there. So the system is still trying to gather some more details for us. So you can always scan, refresh to see your performance. You can also get to see your level analysis, say bucket peak, budget peak rather. You could see price focus position 7 products. You could see the recommendations. So continue tracking your product and receive personalized recommendations. So all of this, it's exactly how Rank Bamboo helps you to get your AI visibility on your store. Now, on Rank Bamboo, we have the old traditional SEO ranking that allows you, of course, to be visible to Google search engines, right? So over here, we have the SEO ranking features, which allows you to run your website optimization. You can also run your website audit right here on the page. So let's quickly switch back to my other project so you can get to see what we can do with our website optimization. Website optimization, always ensure that you have your website integrated. So on this project, you could see we have our website integrated. You could import your sitemap. You could also import from your GSC, that is your Google Search Console, and where you get your Google search engine connected. It's on the integration. So on the integrations, you can directly have your WordPress plugin installed. That once you have it installed, you can have all of these activities done. You can also download the plugin right here, and of course, you can get your Google Search Console connected. So once you get that connected, optimizing your website and of course other functionalities becomes a breeze. So you could just come over to website optimization right here. On website optimization, you could scan your entire URL page. So when you have a URL page, let's say, all right, we have HTTPS, what we have here is 10x, we already did that. So when you add your URL, you can, of course, always scan that. So you can see URL has been added. So you can see the entire crawl page done here. So what you now have here, we have one page which was already optimized. So we can look at pre-qualification. If you want to optimize this, you can come over here to say we want to optimize this. Now, to help you appreciate what we're doing here, I'm going to go to this page directly on my WordPress page, and you see what's happening here, and you see how powerful RankBamboo is. Right on RankBamboo here, I could go ahead to optimize this page. If you see, if you click on this drop down, you can hit on auto optimize because I have my RankBamboo plugin already connected to my WordPress website. That allows me automatic control to apply my fixes. I don't need to do any heavy lifting. RankBamboo does all of that for me. So you could see the exact page here I want to optimize. So all I need to do right from my Rank Bamboo dashboard, I could just hit on optimize. But to allow you to better appreciate what Rank Bamboo will be optimizing on this page, if I hit on optimize, I would want to come over to website audit so you see what and what is not really looking okay on our connected project website. So I'm switching over to website audit under SEO. So want to run a website audit. You can see on website audit, if you've not done that already, you can just hit on new audit and you put your website, it's going to run the audit for you and you get to see all of the details you need. All right, great. So here we have the report again. You can see issues breakdown, missing meta description, low content ratio, missing image alt text. Of course, your website health, it's okay, 50%. So when you come over here, when you toggle on issues breakdown, when you click on missing meta description, so you could see one error here, missing meta description detected on this page. And of course, when you go back here, you could see low content ratio here. And you can also get to see the image alt text error there. So that gives you an idea of what it's already happening. So when I come back to my website optimization on my listed pages here, listed pages here, all I need to do, I want to optimize this page. So I could come over to say auto optimize. So this page has been optimized successfully, and that has already applied on my page as well. So when you come back here, you can also do the same to thank you page. I could have as much pages optimized. And successful again. Because we've gotten most of the pages optimized, when you come back here to your website audit based on our SEO ranking feature, if you've not audited before, you can still click on start audit. So you see our website health is now close to 80%. We've taken it from 50% to 80%. Now, if you come back here, some of the issues are taken out. Now, before we had no meta description that is taken out. So what we now have left here, it's content ratio. So we need to increase on our content, of course, image, missing, alt text, and all of that. So we can still go ahead, fix all of this, and you get to see that your entire overview of your website will be optimized to 100%, making your website fully optimized for search engines. Now, again, on RankBamboo, we do have the keyword research that allows you to see keywords performances across, and of course, you can also get to see your cost per click. So let's say content marketing strategies, what we created content for, right? On United States English, so I could hit on search. Let's get to see the performance of this key phrase. Right over here, we can also see the performance of this key phrase content marketing strategies. So we could see the cost per click over there. We could see the top 10 results on most of the effective contents created right there. So of course, you can always click on their content and see the performance of the content, which can also allow you to create your own content around this. So when you scroll down, you can see a breakdown of the analysis. You can see the difficulty level as well. So this gives you an idea on what to play around your content and the search volume, how it goes monthly, what you likely need to create content for that will get your brand, your website out there to the public. Again, we have the keyword tracker over here as well. So with the keyword tracker, you can add several keywords or key phrases, which will allow you over time to see how it's performing on your website. And you can also use this to rank your website as well. You can have a keyword like plus size. And of course, my target URL, I still want it to be within fashionover.com. So I want to target all devices, so I can hit on track. And our RankBamboo is going to get to work and pay attention to key phrase plus size, or whenever traffic hits my URL, it gets me to have an idea of what is bringing the huge collections of persons into my website. What's brand or what product type, what product specifics is bringing them to my web portal. So this is an idea you get from Key Tracker, which you can also, of course, view history, whatever performance you see here. You can come view the history. So you give this some time. Again, we have the performance over here. Performance, it's your ability to be able to see how much volume, total clicks, impressions you are having once you have your Google search console connected to your RankBamboo. So you get all of that. And of course, you can generate your answer engine optimizations report over here. You can toggle between executive summary, detailed analytics, or client reports style model and hit on generate. It's going to generate your report for you. And once it's generated, you can find all generated reports here that you can click to download. And of course, you can also see your detailed analytics templates seen here. So you could use your executive summary of detailed analytics or your client dashboard that shows you the specific that comes with it. You can also do the same report on your SEO report. You could see your SEO report key performances, as well as pages performance, as well as your SEO overview. So that's how powerful RankBamboo is. So this is one tool you don't need to miss. You need to have it with you to get your answer engine optimization, and of course SEO services done for several businesses out there that are begging to get their businesses seen by AI models.
Let's discover the key features of RankBamboo: AI search visibility and discovery tools. RankBamboo tracks whether your brand is being mentioned, cited, or recommended inside AI answer engines like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, Copilot, and Google AI overviews. And it doesn't just give you one generic number. You can see visibility by platform, so you know exactly where you're showing up and where you're missing. It also compares you with competitors, so you can quickly tell who's getting the AI attention in your niche. Demand, topics, and intent intelligence tools. This part helps you stop creating content blindly. RankBamboo uncovers what people are actually asking, especially the high-intent stuff like comparisons, buying questions, problem-solving searches. These are the exact type of queries that AI engines love to answer. It also shows trending and emerging topics, so you can publish earlier and get first-mover advantage instead of fighting in an overcrowded keyword space later. AEO and website audit tools. This is where RankBamboo turns insights into action. It detects the visibility gaps that prevent AI from understanding or trusting your site, things like weak context, unclear structure, missing entity signals. And it also runs website audits for classic SEO and technical issues. The key point is, it doesn't just dump data on you. It turns everything into a prioritized optimization roadmap, so you know what to fix first for the biggest impact. AI content writer tools. If you want to create content that's designed to be cited inside AI answers, not just rank on Google, RankBamboo includes AEO-focused content generation. So you can generate AI-friendly drafts that match how people actually ask questions today, and it keeps those drafts organized inside the platform, so scaling content doesn't turn into a messy folder nightmare. Automation, monitoring, and control. This is the set it and stay on track side. RankBamboo can run scans automatically on a schedule, so you don't have to manually check visibility every day. If your visibility starts slipping, it notifies you early, so you can fix it before it hurts your traffic or leads, and you can export reports to track progress and share results anytime. So that wraps up my RankBamboo review. I'll also be showing you some of those bonuses in just a moment, so you can see exactly how they add extra value on top of RankBamboo. If you want your brand to show up not just on Google, but also inside AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, Copilot, and Google AI overviews, and you want an easy way to track your visibility, find what's missing, and boost your chances of getting cited and recommended, then RankBamboo is definitely worth a closer look. Now, before you decide, I highly recommend checking out my full RankBamboo review linked in the description below. On that page, you'll find a complete RankBamboo walkthrough and demo, a full pricing and OTO breakdown, including the bundle option, an honest breakdown of who RankBamboo is best for, and my exclusive bonus package, designed to enhance different areas of digital marketing like traffic generation, automation, content creation, and monetization. Those bonuses are meant to help you get more value from RankBamboo and improve your overall marketing results, not just your SEO or AI visibility. So if you're serious about getting more visibility, more high-intent traffic, and staying ahead as search shifts toward AI answers, click the link in the description, read the full review, watch the demos, and see if RankBamboo is the right fit for you. Thanks for watching this RankBamboo review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2. The 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals Writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7. Ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.